Subscribe to Madhura's Recipe and hit the bell icon to receive updates of all my new recipes. Hello everyone, welcome to Madhura's Recipe. Today we are making very quick and instant rice flour dosa. It's really quick and gets ready in no time. All you need is a cup of rice flour into a bowl. Now here I am using this store-bought rice flour. So what happens while making dosa with a store-bought flour is that when you pour this over the tawa, it tends to get dry out and it gets cracked all around its edges. So to avoid that, here I am adding a tablespoon of Maida, that is all-purpose flour, to this rice flour. Now if you are using fresh homemade rice flour, then you don't need to add Maida at all, you can just skip that out. And in place of Maida, you can also use besan, that is chickpea flour, salt for taste, give that a mix, and now let's add in water. Add water slowly and keep it mixing while adding water so that there shouldn't be any lump formed out of this dry rice flour. Perfect. Also add in some lemon juice. Give that a mix. And this is the perfect consistency that we are looking for while making dosa. This is not too thick or too thin, this is a flowy batter. So here tawa is nice and hot, so I have preheated this over medium heat. Add some oil and brush this oil all over this pan. Let's take this batter and start by pouring the batter first around the edges of this tawa, because the middle or center part of the tawa is already very hot, and if we start pouring from the center, the middle portion of dosa gets cooked faster as compared to the edges. So I always start from the edges. Now cover this up and let this cook covered for just about a minute. After about a minute, open the lid and let this cook uncovered for another 2 to 3 minutes. So after about 2 minutes, let's flip this over. Lovely. And cook this from other side as well for about 2 to 3 minutes. And you can see this nice tiny jali that this dosa gets. Superb. Let's give it a flip and fold this over. Awesome. It's ready to plate. Let's make another one. Some oil. Brush this all over this tawa and start to pour batter around the edges first. And let this cook covered for a minute. Open the lid after about a minute and let this cook uncovered. And give this a flip. Awesome. And let this cook for another minute. Alright. Now it's ready to plate. Alright, so over here this instant rice flour dosa is ready. This is also called as Ghavne in Maharashtra or Neer dosa also. So it's really quick an instant breakfast dish or recipe, or you can prepare it at any time of the day. It's really filling. So I hope you liked watching this today's recipe. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.